So welcome everyone to our social science geography class. So today in this class we are going to discuss the exercise question answers of your chapter 10 and also revising the chapter and discussing some extra MCQ type of question and answers. So it is in page number 70 of your NCERT book. So the first question from your book, it is what are the two types of desert found in the world? So these are hot deserts, hot and cold deserts. Okay. So now number B. Number B is in which continent in the Sahara Desert located? It is Africa. Number C now. Question number C is what are the climatic conditions on the Ladakh desert? What are the climatic conditions of the Ladakh desert? So the climate of Ladakh is very cold and dry. Cold and dry. Next sentence. Cold and dry. Okay. Next, the air at the altitudes. Okay, so you can skip that line. So next one, the day temperature in summer reaches above 0 degree centigrade, and the night temperature well below minus 40 degree centigrade. It is freezing cold. Next, it is freezing cold in winter when the temperature may remain below minus 40 degrees centigrade. Okay, so this is the answer of question number 2. It is the question number 2. Okay, so students, if you have completed the answer number C, 1C, then mention in the chat box. If you have completed the question number 1C, then mention in the chat box. done. Okay. Next one. So next one, it is question number D, and the question number D is, what mainly attracts tourists in Ladakh? What mainly attracts tourists in Ladakh? So I am rubbing the first two answer. So if you have completed the first two, I am rubbing the first two, and the upper portion of the previous question. Now 1D, and the answer is tourism is a activity in Ladakh. Next sentence, tourists came here to visit Gompa's treks to see the meadows, and glaciers, witnessing ceremonies and festivities, full stop. Okay, so this is the of question number D. Now next one, it is the question number E, and question number E is, what type of clothes the people of the Sahara Desert wear? So the answer is the people of the Sahara Desert wear they wear heavy robes, to protect themselves from hot winds, and desert storm. Desert storm or dust storm. Okay, so that's all from question number E. Now question number F. So those have completed. Now you can see me. I have turned the mode into grid view, so now you can see me. Okay. Next, number F, and the number F is, if you have completed, and I'm writing in the top, Okay, not completed. So I think 1D is completed. 1D is completed. Yes, so I am rubbing 1D. The first two line of the 1D. So 1F. And the answer is, and the question is, name the trees that grow in Ladakh. So the trees are grown in Ladakh are willow and poplars. Willow and poplars, comma, fruit trees such as apple, apricot and walnuts. Full stop. Except these patches of grasses and shrubs can be found. Okay, so that's all from the question number 1F. Okay students, so I think you have completed the 1E and answer. So I'm rubbing the answer of 1E. Now I will start the number 2 segment. It is tick the correct answer. Who is this? Taufik. Make it. So press the grid view button. Okay, it is in together mode. Taufik, it is in together mode. That's why you cannot see me. So press the grid view. Change your setting of Skype and made it into grid view. It is in the top of the screen. You can see that grid view is written. So just click on grid view. Okay. Large grid view. There are 5 different options right on the top, on the left side of the top of your screen. These are large grid, together mode, speaker view, grid view, enter full screen. Okay, so press the grid view option, then only you can see me, because Skype updated every day, new features they added every day, so that's why you can see me. So number 2A, it is tick the correct answers, and in this segment the first question is Sahara is located in which part of Africa? So now You will tell me the answers in the chat box. So tell me which is the correct answer. Option number A, eastern. Option number B, northern. Option number C, western. In which part Sahara Desert is located in Africa? In which part of Africa? Eastern, northern, western. Very good. It is northern. Number B, it is Sahara is what type of desert? Sahara is a cold, hot or mild desert. So Sahara is a number B, hot desert. Sahara is a hot desert. Okay, Tawfiq, if you are not able to see me, then log out once and log in again. Log out once and log in again. If you cannot see me still, there is some problem. If you are facing any problem, then log out once and log in again. Yes. So number 3, it is the Ladakh. The Ladakh desert is mainly inhabited by option A, Christian and Muslims. Option number B, Buddhist and Muslim. Option number C, Christians and Buddhist. Which is the correct option? Muslims and Buddhist. Okay, Devanshu given the correct answer. It is Muslim and Buddhist. Akash also. This is the option number B. Next, question number 4. The deserts are characterized by A, sancti vegetation, B, heavy precipitation, C, low evaporation. It is A, sancti vegetation. Okay, 4A, sancti vegetation. Now 5. Number 5, it is that Hemis is in the Ladakh is a famous temple, church or monastery. And correct answer is, which is the correct answer? It is a monastery. Very good. C. 5 C. Now 6. 6 is Egypt is famous for growing A, wheat, B, maize, C, cotton. And the correct answer is C, cotton. So that's all from the number 2 segment. Tick the correct answer. Now quickly we will see the number 3 segment, match the following. So I am rubbing the number 1. So the first one, tell me that oasis will be matched with depression with water. Depressions with water. Number 2, it is Bedouins will be matched with Sahara. Number F, Sahara. Number 3, oil. Oil can be found in Tripoli in Libya. So it is in Libya. Number 4, it is Gangri. Gangri is a glacier. Gangri is a glacier. So I'm rubbing this one also. So tell me the number 5. It is the Lamayuru. Lamayuru also a monastery. Okay students, so that's all from match the following segment. And our question answer session also completed here. So now I'm asking 2 questions quickly. Okay. fast answer these two questions. So the number one question, it is that shahatus is a type of a fruit, option B animal, option number C wool, option number D dress. What is shahatus? This is an extra question. Quickly tell me the answer, that what is the meaning, what is shahatus? Option A, shahatus is a fruit, number B animal, number C wool, number D dress. Which is the correct answer? Okay, so you don't know the answer, so you are searching. It is a dress, not it's a dress. So it is actually a wool collected from an animal, that is Tibetan antelope called chiru. It's collected from a Tibetan antelope chiru. It's a wool, one kind of wool collected by the people of Ladakh. Okay, so that's the correct answer. So students, not much time left, so thank you for watching and attending today's class. Read all the chapters carefully, especially the bold letters, and don't leave anything. Do you know portion, glossary portion, all the extra portion mentioned in the right side or left side of your book, in geography book. Read everything, don't skip anything. Read everything, including do you know portion and also the glossary portion and word origin also. Read the word origin portion also. So thank you for watching. See you in the next class. Bye everyone.